Writing automated tests is one of the most important parts of building software, but it's also one of the most time consuming, especially in this era where AI allows the engineering team to move faster while the QA teams plays catch up. That's why we are building Bug0, an end-to-end no code force testing platform that enables the QA team to write tests in natural language, manage and schedule their tests, and integrate it with their CI/CD workflow. So let me walk you through what Bug0 dashboard looks like. So this is Bug0, and the first thing we are going to be doing is setting up your project setting. And this is basically letting us know about the website you want to test. You give it a project name, you give it a base URL. This is the apex domain of your dashboard or website, and then you can provide some other optional credentials like this. And these are majorly like basic test framework settings. So the timeout and then the sharding count, right, to speed things up. And then after we have this basic information, the project name and the base URL, you can then start writing your test. So the first thing you want to do is basically create a new suite. So if you're familiar with writing tests with Playwright or any other test framework, you know what a suite is. So it's basically like grouping test. So when you create a new suite, you can mark it as login test or mark it as cleanup test. And after creating the suite, you can then create a new test within it. And for each of these tests that we have, tests are basically a bunch of steps. And these steps are what our AI agents are going to be following to test your platform. So for this, I'm making use of this website by Vercel, and then we basically want to ensure that the search bar works each time it is being used. So that's basically what the test is going to be doing. And we can come back here. This test is already written by me. We have to wait until the search is done and the value that we want to search, and that's basically it. And then we have the assertion here whereby to confirm that the search actually works. So what I can do is basically validate this test. I can click on this validate, and then I can see the test running in real time. So what the Bug0 AI agent is going to do is basically go through all the steps and then try to use your website following those steps. So we'll just wait, and then you can see it live. You can see it has entered the t-shirt here, and then let's wait for the assertion to be confirmed. So you can see all the activity logs coming here and all the steps being marked here. So it's running the assertion here, and then you can see the assertion passed. And if something goes wrong as well, you are definitely going to see it from here as well. Now that we see how a test is being run on Bug0, now let's go back to the test editor and see how we can actually add a new test. So to add a new test, we can come here and click add test. Then we can enter the test name. We could do something like add uh, to add, and then we can do create test. So when you want to create a new test, there are multiple options that you can do. You can basically write plain English in the input box here, and you can also upload a video. You can record your screen using the platform, and then our AI agent is going to capture the video, extract the steps, and you can also write custom playwright, which I'm going to be talking about in a different video. But for this, I already have a recorded video. I'm just basically going to add it and click enter, and then I'll wait for it to complete uploading, and then I can proceed to generate text from the video. So once the video has finished uploading, we can go ahead and click on generate text from video, and then we wait for the AI agent to extract steps from the video. The AI agent have extracted steps from the video, and it has made them a runnable test like this. And you can see from here is it says type cowboy into the search bar, press enter, click on the result that shows up, click on this option, select this option, and click add to cart. And if you go ahead and follow this, it should stay be the same cowboy. Click enter, click on this. It says click on turn, and the next step is to click on this size as well. Yeah, and then we click on add to cart. So, and that's it. So, and then we can go ahead and write our assertions. Maybe you want to write assertions that the sidebar should come up, and then maybe the number of cards should increase or decrease, or if the button should be enabled and things like that. So these are basically like the basic things you can do with Bug0. You can also do more. We have other options like extracting data, available variables that you can share within multiple test. You can also add setup test. You can add another test as a setup test for a particular test as well. And you can also increase the timeout if needed. And one important and interesting thing is like you can also write scripts, direct script here. We run it on Sandbox as well from our own end. And yeah, so that's pretty what Bug0 enables you to do. We have more features like Discover Flow. You don't even have to record your screen or upload any video. Just give it login credentials and then tell it what you need to do, and it's going to discover the flow for you. So these are some of the videos I'm going to be making next. Let me know what you think about Bug0. Is this something your QA team are going to be interested about? And let me know in the comments. And if you want a conversation, I'm happy to jump on a call to walk you through, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.